Okay. Dear students, once again, good evening to all. I hope my voice is audible to everyone. I'm just enabling the chat. You can confirm with the chat.
Raja sir, I asked Soumya about to update that. Once you update, I will share it. Give me
No,
some time.
no issue,
Okay. Thank
Pawan.
you,
I
sir.
will
All the
start.
best.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
again, please introduce yourself to the team. Let me introduce. Uh,
Sure,
Guys,
sure.
we have one more person from our EduNet Foundations, wherein he works as a master trainer with more than 14 years of experience. And at our organization, he has 2+ years of experience and he's a master of all the stuffs. So whatever you ask, whatever query you have, you are, uh, you know, you have all the answers. So please talk to Raja sir and listen to him and take his advice to develop your projects. So Raja sir, please introduce yourself. This is your first session with
It's
project two
good.
people.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. All the best.
yeah. Okay. Welcome. Thank you. Yes. So myself, as Pawan said, actually, I'm PRaja. I'm from Tamil Nadu. So I completed my BE in Kumaraswamy College of Engineering and Technology, and as well as I completed my ME in Sona College of Engineering, Sona College of Technology. And after that, I started with one company as a technical support engineer. That company name is called VA Microsystem, and I was as a technical support engineer. So after that, I entered into the teaching field. I was started as a assistant professor in BRCM College of Engineering, which is located in Haryana. Okay. So after that, again, like I was served over there almost like 6 years, and after that, I was shifted to Lovely Professional University. There, I was served almost 6 years as a assistant professor. So after that, I just shifted to this company. Like I started as a master trainer in this company. So now almost like 2 years completed. So third year is running in this company. So apart from that, I am pursuing my PhD also, as well as I do have the authored book and as well as book chapter, and as well as like a few research papers also I have, like around 12 to 13. So similar kind of things actually I was uh, filed almost 20, 25, 27 patent idea I was filed, and among that, two patents already granted. Okay, so that is what about my small brief introduction. Okay, if any doubt or anything you wanted to ask, you can ask. So before going into the project summation things, now I'm just enabling the chat for few times if you wanted to ask anything about me. Otherwise, we'll go into the what I can say the project submission part, how you are going to submit and what is a project template, that all I will just explain. Yes, I think how to deploy model actually already Soumya has been given you like by using the Streamlet you can submit, or you can go for the what you can say like Flask up or HTML CSS. By using this all you can deploy. Okay, Kolu Kumar. Okay, good evening, sir. I'm also from LPU. Okay, which branch, Kolu Kumar? You are from? No, no. Actually, that's what now you people are asking about the project and other things. We will discuss this one later. Okay. So now, don't use this all like here. Like I have used Streamlit at work rights. Okay. See, two things are there. If you want to develop some of the Streamlit application, then you don't use the Jupyter Notebook and Colab. Directly, you can open any of the editor, just write a program and save it in .py, and that can be run it in the what I can say the command prompt or terminal. That's up to you. Okay, there is the prompt is there like Streamlit space run Streamlit run. and your file name, whatever the file name .py. So this is what the extension. This is what the way of executing the code directly. If you are using in the Jupyter Notebook or Colab, that is not possible to run on like launching the local host. So that will be the problem will come. Okay, better you can use this one, and this can be executed in terminal mode or command prompt. On that command prompt, you can what you can say. You can go to the corresponding path where the file is existing. Then you can able to execute. Okay. So I will explain one of the execution so that I think you can able to understand. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I just shared my screen. I hope it is visible to everyone. Is my screen is visible? Okay, good, good. Just give me a moment. Mm. See, this is what actually the Streamlit project. Okay, in this actually we are having the machine learning app like that. It is there. Okay, this is what I wanted to execute. So I will just explain this one for time being. I'm just opening it ideally. File open. See here, this is what generally what we need to do actually after creating the model. Try to understand after creating the model. Okay, in this folder, I'm having that all what you can say the model and the supporting files also. You can see here one is model.pkl and another one is dfidf vectorize.pkl. So these two are like model. It is the necessary model in our program. So what I did actually, the particular program, the program is for just classifying the spam or not spam. Okay, while training the model, we were encoded in this way, like the spam or not spam. We were encoded in this way, like 0 and 1. Okay, so whenever we are predicting, we have to display in the name whether it is a spam or whether it is the not spam. In this way, I need to split. Okay, so that is what actually. So this one for the label mapping, and after that, these all are like actually we are just what you can say the one method I'm just using here. Okay, predict message, and in this you can see here model and vectorizer. Actually, two one is for transforming into vectorizer, another one is for the classification model. So this is what actually we are having here. So that's what I just calling as a argument, or sorry, as a parameter, like model and vectorizer. And after that, what I'm doing, that whatever the message, like whatever the message we people are typing, that I need to transform into the matrix format. Okay, the zeros and ones are numeric value we need to bring. So for that purpose, I'm converting this one. After that, I'm just doing predicted class. What is the class for this and the predicted probability? The both the things I'm just getting. And after that, you can see here predicted label. Like what is the label and label mapping with predicted underscore class. Just mapping we are doing. And after that, return in this particular method, I'm just using predicted label as well as predicted probabilities. So these are the things I'm just returning. And now you can see here, just simply making how to make the Streamlit application. Now you can see here Streamlit application like st.title. Now on that Streamlit, I'm just giving one title of the particular page. The whatever the web interface it is going to start. For that, I'm just giving message spam detector, like I say, title of the project or title of the this one like that. And after that, here we are doing like st dot write, st dot write, like we are writing the sentence, okay, just a description about the title. Okay, by using the write method you can define, like enter a message below to check if it is spam or not spam, like that. And after that, just text area, I'm just creating the text area. Where can I get the input? Where can I get the input? So for that I'm just using, and after that you can see here, if st dot button, like I'm just creating one button, the name of the button is predict. Okay, just whenever I'm clicking that predict button, what it will do actually, see, it is going to this one message rust, right? Okay, in this sklearn from feature extraction, that count rise, okay, multinomial navy bias we are using. And after that, you can see here the model which we are creating, counter vectorizer and the model multinomial. We are just assigning these models. Okay. After that, whatever the message like we are giving, we are just transforming into that. After that, we are just making subheader, right? Subheader, like right. These all are like what is the prediction label? What is the prediction? These all, whether it is spam or not, what is the probability score? That all we are just printing. And else the button is not clicked, else or the something is wrong, not classified, then st dot error. Okay, please enter a valid message. This is what one of the way of bringing your model into streamlit application. Okay, now whenever you wanted to execute this one, as I already told you, first go to the command prompt. First go to the command prompt, and after that you have to change that colon, like where your file is existing. Mine is, it is in the d colon. After that, like a streamlit project. Okay, after that, streamlit, run, space file name. File name we can see here. Yeah, the previous one. Okay, machine learning, like machine underscore learning underscore app dot py. So this is what actually the what you can say, the where the path is existing. Through that path only I can able to execute. When I'm clicking, you can see here. So when I'm executing, which will automatically no such command. Okay, actually in between I just forgot to give run. Okay, whenever I'm giving, you can see here the automatically which will launch the page, and here you can see here that everything like message spam detector, like message and whatever the message we wanted to provide over here, and there is a predict method. I'm just going to here, and here you can see. I will just I will just take the message from this one. Okay, whatever the message we are just providing, you can look at this one. So this will gives you the proper things. Okay, like for example, pre-entry like spam message. If I'm talking spam message, I'm just pasting over here. So after pasting, I'm just clicking on the predict. You can see whenever I'm clicking predict, which will just process, and after processing it is saying that like spam or not spam, and what is the class probability, and that this message is belongs to which class. Now you can see here the predicted class is spam, and the predicted probability for not spam it is 0.44, for spam it is 56, like that. Okay, and a similar way, for example, if I'm going for harm message, I'm just clicking on predict. So now you can see here not spam, and prediction probability it is not spam, it is 0.67, and the spam it is 0.33. Okay, so in this way, like you can go for what you can say, the whatever the message, like it is called web interface. Through that web interface only you can pass the message. We no need to execute all the program. So here we can, I'm just able to classify or able to like what can you can do that, it is spam or not spam. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone, like most of the students are asked about this one. No, no, I'm just explaining the Streamlit application only. I'm not explaining the harm and spam. I'm just explained how to run the Streamlit application. Okay, few students are asked about that, so that's why I'm explaining this. I hope it is clear to everyone now how to execute the Streamlit application. If you are running that file, actually, if it is the Flask, then that will give the local host to you. Then you can click on that local host, then it will work. Okay, okay, fine. Actually, the thing is that, like, what is the project today? Actually, I am here to supposed to explain these all are like what you can say. Only the project report and how to submit. What is the project report, the format, that all. Okay, I know it is the project two session, but again, the project two session, it is the technical part already completed. Okay, not this is not a different session, man. Today we are going to discuss about the project, actually the report and other things only. Okay, how to make a report and how to submit it. That is what the session. Okay, okay, we'll discuss about the project template. So I will just show you the template of the project. Just give me a second. Yes. So this is what actually the proper flow of the uploading the project, like how to upload and what you can do. Okay. The report, it is record of like 30 to 50 pages, like 30 to 40, 30 to 35, 30 to 50, whatever, like based on your content, based on the your work, you can increase that one. Okay. It is full and full depends on you, like what are the implementation you have been done, and what are the things actually you wanted to include in your report. So based on that you have to go. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to log in with the LMS portal. The first login with LMS portal, after that you will get this left side pan. Okay, left side pan will be there. So in this left side pan, you will get like dashboard, like session detail, like project selection. Okay, offer letter, like report templates. These all are, and self attendance and study material. These all are you will get. So in this actually, what actually you have to click on a report template. The first you can click on report template. So after clicking on report template, you will get one, there is such kind of options, like download option, download template option, and after that you will get the what are the font size for that. Okay, whatever the font size for that, like for example, generally in your report, the everywhere you need to use the font type is the Times New Roman, and the default text size is called 12. Okay, if it is main heading, then you can go for 16 bold. Okay, the alignment, again, alignment, it is up to you. Like it can be center aligned, or it can be like the left side aligned, like that you can go. And if it is the paragraph, then you have to give justify, justify alignment. So after that, if it is some any kind of like the first subtitle or any kind of subtitle, if you are using, then you can use 14 bold, and second subtitle, and if you are using, then the font size of that is 12 and bold, and the normal text, it is like normally you can use for the 12, like font size is 12. So this is what, once you clicking on this, like whenever you clicking on this download template, you will get one template format, like the project report format you will get. And how to upload that one, there is the option, again the left side pan option, you will get final project option. On that final project option, the interface actually, there is the option to upload, like you can click on upload button, and you have to provide like what is the project detail, and after that you can just upload your file in the word for sorry PDF format. You have to upload the file in the PDF format. So that you need to do. So that's what actually you can able to get it through final project. On left side pan, you can just select through the left like final project. So here after that actually you can upload the PDF file, and after that you can submit everything. Like after uploading, you can just click on submit button. And before submission, please cross verify that you are submitting the correct file, as you can do the submission only once. So in this, you can do only once, you can do the submission. Okay, better you can just observe that before submitting the file, you can just cross verify that, because sometime what usually happen, so unknowingly we used to select the nearby files. Maybe we are thinking to select that PDF file of report, but sometime we like unknowingly or by mistake we used to select some other file. So some other file if you are selecting, then automatically that is totally wrong file. Okay, so that is what actually, so you need to cross verify that. So this is what the process, the how to upload the uh, project report. And the template is there. I will just show you the template. The first of all, so this is what the template. So project template, then already the header and footer, on that header and footer, they included the TechSuccess and the Edinet logo. So you can keep that Edinet logo is as it is. And after that, you can just introduce, like you can just paste or you can type the project title over here. The whatever the project title, so you can just type it over here. And after that, you can use yep, like the project report. These all are same. You no need to change anything. A project report submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement of, like these all are remain same. You no need to what you can say. You no need to change this all. Okay, and a similar way you can go for the name of the student and the email ID. Your name and email ID under the guidance. Like I think it is the Saumya. Okay, you can just enter the full name of Saumya. Okay, whatever the full name of Saumya, you can just enter over here. Okay, and after that, next we are coming to the acknowledgement page. In this acknowledgement page, actually nothing. You have to show the gratitude to someone is helped directly or indirectly. Okay, someone is helped directly or indirectly. For them, you can just provide the gratitude to them. Okay, you can see here. Firstly, we would like to thank my supervisor. Like here, the Saumya name has to be. And after that, maybe your HOD name, maybe your principal name, maybe your faculty in charge name. The whatever you wanted to include, you can include. Okay, so this is what actually. And after that, we can go for the content. Like before going to the content, we can go for the abstract. Under the abstract, you can see here abstract actually we have to write the abstract within 300 words. But rare case, like again some output and some of the other introduction or some conclusion part, if one or two lines, if it is exiting, you can go up to like 340, 350 or 400. Okay, that 400 words you can go, but again, it has to be half of the page or more than half of the page, not like even full page also. So first, what you need to do, you need to provide the brief summary of the project. You need to provide the brief summary about the project, and after that, you can include the problem statements. Like whatever the problem statement you can include, like what is the problem statement for which you are going to do that, all you can just do. And after that, you can write it objective. What is the objective of your project? Okay, just include one or two lines about the objective, and which techniques or which methodology you have been used for that. Okay, and after that, again, key results. After that, again, key results and the conclusions. Like conclusion also, you can write it as a 2 page or 3 page, like that. So 2 page or 3 page, you can write it, and based on that, you can what you can say, the go for the abstract. Okay, so this is what about the how to frame the abstract. How to frame the abstract. So through which you can just frame the abstract. Let's just, I think already recorded. Yeah, okay, no issue. So after that, the content page, on that content page, first you have to give abstract. Then after that, you will be providing the chapter wise, like first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, like that. You can just include the every subtopic, subtitle, that all. Like for example, if you are using 1.1, 1.11, like that, also you can provide the everything you can include in this. Okay, so this is for the content page. After that, you have to go for the list of figures page. Just give me a second. Yeah. In this, actually, a list of figure is nothing. Actually, the whatever the figure you have been used in your report, you have to give the proper figure name. For example, the whatever the figure you are using, like first figure means you have to write it full spelling. Okay, not short form like FIG. Okay, you have to write it FIGURE figure space the whatever the number, like one means one, second means second, third means third, like that. You can just provide that one, and after that you can provide the caption for that. After the number, then colon, then you can provide the caption for that. Okay, so that is what actually you have to do in this. And a similar way, list of table, similar way you can go for the list of table. Under the list of table also, again, if you are used some tables in your report, then you can use this one. Otherwise, you can remove this one. Otherwise, you can remove this one, because the if no tables are used, no need to use this table. Okay, so this is what about the list of table. And next one is the introduction. Like whenever you are starting with introduction, the first of all you need to provide some introduction about the project, the whatever the project you got, that you need to provide the information about that. And after that, you can go for this all, like what is the problem statement or motivation, objective, scope of the project, this all you can go. And either you can include this all first, and after that also you can go for the giving the introduction. Like without introduction, only if you are giving this 4 point means, which will not work. Okay, which will not work. So at least you need to give 1 or 2 pages introduction about your project. So after that, you can go for, okay, what is the problem, like where, on which you are going to give addressing. Okay, so that you need to describe over here. And what is the problem significant. Okay, what is the problem significant, and the motivation, like why was this project chosen, and what are the potential application and the impact, like which factor or which things motivated you to take this project like that. Okay, so that you can enter over here. And next actually objective. Okay, next actually objective, the clear state of the objectives of the project. Okay, now the whatever the objective, like you can frame even one or two also, like two objective or three objective, like that you can go also. It is full and full up to you. And after that, define the scope and limitation. Okay, so what is the scope of your project, and is there any limitation? You can just mention these are our limitation of the project. Limitation means nothing. For example, if I'm talking about any of the project, okay, the range, for example, if I'm going to detect some input, and based on that I'm going to classify something means, so it will detect like 0 to 50 means that is one of the limitations. Above 50 it is not going to detect, or it is not going to work on that. So such kind of things. So that kind of limitation, if it is there something, you can just provide. So after that, you can go for the literature survey. While writing the literature survey, actually, this is what you need to do, like review relevant literature or provides work in this domain. Like whatever the work are done based on this particular project. So our particular domain, our particular topic, you can just use this one. Okay, and again mention any existing models, like what they used, any model they used, or any technique they used, or methodology they used. Okay, related to the problems. Okay, so next actually highlight of the gaps, like whatever the gaps, like something is existing in the previous work, something not existing in the previous work, that we are going to include in our project. So that all you can use here. Okay, so that is what actually the what you can say, the gap or limitation of existing work. So after that, after doing this all, like after completing this all, you can go to the proposed methodology, like whatever the methodology you proposed and whatever the system design you have been implemented, that all you can just go. Okay, so here you can see provide the diagram, your support solution. Okay, for explain, like in this, the system design will come, black diagram will come, okay, flow diagram will come, and you need to explain about that all. What you can say, the flow diagram, black diagram, architecture, that all you need to explain. So you are just describing about your system. Okay, you are just describing about your system. So that is what here in this proposed methodology. And after that, you can go for like requirement specification. Like, is there any hardware requirement specifications are there? Like software specific requirement is there. So these all are like actually you can just go for it. And after that, implementation and result. Like yes, how you implemented, which technique you have been following, and what are the key results are there, like what are the key findings, key results. Okay, you have to provide some of the snapshot for that. After providing a snapshot, you need to explain that all snapshots. Okay, like you need to interpret that, what for you generated that output, what kind of findings you are getting on that. Okay, after that you need to say that what is the output you are getting. These all you need to explain on this, and each and every snapshot you need to explain. Okay, and next actually the GitHub link for code. There is the GitHub repository you need to create, and you need to include that all what you can say, the code and the project related files, the supporting documents, that all you need to put it on GitHub link, and you have to provide, or you have to add the link of that. Okay, GitHub repository link you need to add over here. And after that discussion and the conclusion, simple, this is very, very simple. So whatever you did the project, you have to discuss about that. What is the future work it is possible, and what is the conclusion? Like summarize the overall impact of your contribution. Okay, overall impact of your contribution. That all you can just do. Okay, so this is what here actually the conclusion of that, summarize and everything. And reference, finally you can just take the reference, and from the Google Scholar you can take the reference, and by using that you can just add the reference one by one from where you refer the existing work. Okay, it is totally it is used for the existing work. Okay, the whatever the existing work you have been referred that you can include over here. This is the reference, like this is the reference like that. Okay, from this I just referred this all. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. This is what the simple template format. Okay, and as I already told you, whenever you are logging into the LMS portal, so after the LMS portal, you can able to check on the left side pane. On that left side pane, you can able to get this all are like final project, okay, and as well as the project template. Here you can download these all are. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. I'll just come to the question and answer like so. Sir, how much longer we can access the portal? Again, for this, Pawan sir will give the answer. Actually, I don't have any answer for this. Okay. Sir, how much longer we can again same? I think Supriya Hari. Okay, this repeated question. I think. Okay. And here actually, sir, we have to create a PPT also. PPT as of now, no. But if it is needed, we will inform you. As of now, no. Okay. Sir, what should we write in the report? Already I explained that. Okay, sir, can you share this PDF sample project where we will get it? It is already existing in this portal, LMS portal. If it is not, please inform to Pavan. He will provide that one. LMS not working again. It has to be addressed by Pavan. Okay, and sir, also talk about PPT template. PPT template actually as of now nothing. Okay, if it is there, sure I will inform you. Okay, we did not use any figures also. You can remove that figures table. You can remove the figure table. Okay, where can we get this reference PDF file? Again, this is already it is there in your LMS portal. If it is not there, please inform to Pavan. How many pages report should be? Already I told you for this 32, 35, 32, 40 or 32, 50 like that. Depends on your content. Okay, depends on your content. What is the last date to submit? Again, this for this also Pavan sir will give the answer for that. Sir, by when do we need to submit the project? Again, the Pavan sir, the Telegram or WhatsApp channel, you will get the answer for this. Okay. I don't understand the reference part. Reference part you are not getting. Okay. Just give me a second. Reference part I will just share you. First of all, just a minute. I'll just again share my screen. You can see, for example, if you wanted to go for referring anything, so first go to the Google. Okay, then type Google Scholar. So Google Scholar, you can just type and you can just open here in this way. Okay, after that, the whatever the project, for example, just give me a second. For example, I'm just taking this one, medical. Okay, just medical. This is diagnostic. Okay, CPI model. So just click on that search option. Okay. So after clicking search option, you can see here medical diagnostic system using artificial intelligence, algorithm principle, perspective, and evaluation artificial techniques. Okay, disease diagnosis and prediction. So like that, if the reference will come, you can able to understand that. For example, in this, if I'm opening this page, you can able to see the what you can say. The abstract will be there. You can see here abstract like this is the diagnostic like identification health issue disease disorder like that. So what they are using and everything like predictive techniques, okay, diagnose error compatibility in this paper we have reviewed current literature of for the last 10 years like that. So some of the things are there and what techniques they have been used. The research paper aims to see, this is what I told you, the research paper aims to, this is what actually the objective, to reveal some important insights and into the current and previous like different AI techniques in the medical. So these all are. So in this way, like what they identified that all are in introduction. Okay. So now you can see here the whenever if you are completing the one statement, okay, you can able to see here. So this statement you can see here. So up to this, then full stop. And before that, you can see within the square bracket, we are using the one. So that means this has been referred by this reference. Okay, that is what meaning of that. This like you can see here, 2 to 4. 2 to 4 means this is what the reference. From this paper, the particular statement has been referred. Okay, so like that, I again, as I already told you, figure one. See here, as shown in figure one. In this also you can go see here figure one, like that. So this is what actually the reference and other things. And if you wanted to get the reference of that, the first of all, what you need to do, you can click on this site method. By using the site, you can just click over here and you can see here the MLE different type of reference is there like MLA kind of reference, APA reference, Chicago reference. This is just a style of reference. Harvard, Vancouver. Okay. So whatever you want, you can just take it this one. Like for example, wherever you just click, the whole text will be selected, and you can use Control C and you can go to the your reference or your report. Okay, for example, here I wanted to provide here, you can just paste it in this way. Okay, now this is the second reference. This is the second reference I can use. Okay, so in this way, the whatever the paper, like whatever the article you wanted to refer, you can just go through abstract and you can go through this all and you can able to detect that all. Okay, so in this way, this is what actually the role of literature review. From this, you can just identify. You can explain that what is the existing methodology and what are the gaps are there. That all you can do it from here. Okay, so this is what actually about the reference and other things. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, so I'll just again I'm going for the question and answer. Yeah, reference part I told, and sir till when again Pawan sir will give answer for that. Which teacher's name? Soumya. Actually, the full name of the trainer you have to mention was, I think the part of name is Soumya. I don't know like the exactly. I'm not remembering that full name. So you can just get it from Pawan. Okay, what is the last date to submit? Again, the last date will be floated on, to you through the Telegram or WhatsApp channel. Okay, what is the latest data project? Okay, this all are kindly reply. Okay, that also they reply. What is the last date of submission? Again, same. Final project option not. Once see, they have to assign the final project interface. Then only it will visible to you. Okay, not now. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next week they will be submitting the things, because now we are explaining the report format, how to create a report. Understand? PPT actually do one thing. PPT you can put it into the GitHub repository. If it is needed, you can add it. Okay, if there is the need of uploading the PPT, then you can use. No issue with that. Okay, I think that Shita is answered like asked for that. Sir, on LMS portal final project not showing. Again, it has to identify, like it has to assign. It has to assign. Okay, then only it will visible. Can you please check my GitHub repository? Okay, this is classifier. License, readme, appme, model.pkl, model.kera, model1.keras, model.1.keras, requirement, okay. A classifier, okay. Overview, future, okay. Demo, clone the repository, okay. How to, how it works. Supported IDCs, okay. Yeah, it is good. It is good, good. Good, Rusil. It is very good. Venkata Krishna sir, if you use flowchart in methodology, should we mention it like figure? No, no, no need. Actually, if it is you wanted to explain about the architecture, system architecture, then you can. Okay, then you can go. I was not present. Attendance taken care by the Pavan sir. And where did we get the data set for this project? Already, the Soumya already shared with you people. Okay, it is in Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. Okay, I don't have access of that. If I could have that one and I could have shared with you. Okay, don't have that. How to convert zip file normal file, zip file into normal file? Extractor, install zip extractor and you can use that one. Okay. Uh, so please get me the name of teachers there. Almost same. Some students are asked that if you have to write a research paper, then it should be on this topic. It is up to you. If you want to write in this topic also or other topic also, you can use. No issue. I was not present previous session. Can you please describe in short what we have to do? Please go through the recorded video. Please go through the recorded video. Can you please check my Rusil? Already I checked actually. Okay. I was not present. Okay. Repeated question only, I think. What should be add in PPT? PPT nothing, yeah, just a title, then outline, then abstract. Okay, so then your proposed solution, then objective. If you are wanted to give like objective, you can give, and after that system architecture. After the system architecture, you can go for the demonstration. Okay, you can you can just include one or two output, and you can just describe, like you can explain about that output. Okay. What are the contents need to be added in the final project PPT PDF file, sir? Already the sample file given and the subtopics are given on that. You can refer that one, Imran. Can I create GitHub account? Yes, okay. You can create the account. You can create the account. What about code, sir? Code actually that's what code you are including in GitHub repository, no? So no need to add into the project report. I think that's all about like project report and other things. Okay. Fine. So any doubt you can just discuss or otherwise we can wind up the session. Okay. How to get the project linked to us? They will assign to you. Try to understand they will assign and after that you will get how to submit everything report in PPT code. It is not like that Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, you have to create a GitHub repository and after that you will go for that. Okay, only report you need to upload, not that all. And on that report you are just adding the GitHub repository link. Clear? Source code, everything you can put it in GitHub repository. So slide copy paste code and button. See, we are giving the base of the project up to you, the enhancing of the project. Like you can enhance the project. Yeah, you can. Can we train the model in Flask or yeah, it is up to you. Okay, there is no anything like the one interface is needed. Code already it is there in repository, like it is in the sir. Once you explain how to upload that GitHub link from the repository. Nothing, yeah, you have to create one repository. After that repository, you need to upload the files on that. Okay, after that, you can just copy that one. I will show you once again. For example, just go to GitHub. So you can go to the GitHub repository, the page. Mm, Now you can listen carefully. The see here actually this is my repository, and in this repository you can just go for anything like whatever the things, like whatever the things you want to do. Like for example, I'm just going for new repository. Okay, you can see here the repository name. Okay, for example, I can write it in this way: AI CTE. Okay, underscore something like internship, like that. If I'm creating in this way, look at this one. See, I have to provide actually create new repository, and after that I'm giving what is the repository name, and after that you can just look at this one. Any description you wanted to give for this particular repository you can give, or otherwise again you can go for the anything like add me read me file you can add, and git ignore, like whatever you have to add that you can add if it is needed. Simply later you can just click on create repository. So after creating the repository, here you can see here the uploading an existing file. Either you can go for the creating new file, or you can go for the uploading the existing file. You can just click and you can choose your file from your repository, the whatever the file you wanted to upload here. Okay. For example, I'm just going here, the colon, like internet. Okay. For example, like this is what actually the one of the things like human post estimation. See here, multiple files are there. Just I'm selecting this all and just clicking on open. So automatically you can see here the files will be uploaded here. The whatever the file, like 3 file, 4, 4 to 14 file. Okay, that all try again with the smaller than 25th MB, like that. Okay. So whatever I uploaded, just clicking on commit change. So now you can see here in this particular AICTE underscore internship, here the folders will be there, like files will be there. Okay, now just click on this green color code option. Just you can see here the HTTP path will be there. Just copy this one and add it into the project report. Okay, so this is what actually about the GitHub repository. So I hope it is clear. Need diagram like DFD or etc. Diagram, it is up to you. Video, what is the key concept should be explained. I think that's all. I think long, overall, like I uploaded, like I just given anything. No, no, no. A license actually it is depends on any of the software related to any software or anything you need to access with the license. Then you need to. Actually, code I'm not having, man. Please, it is in the Soumya and ask to Pawan. Okay. Yes. That's all from my end. Okay. So any doubt you can ping with me or Pavan, like through Pavan you can ping with me. Okay. I will discuss. So again, the technical related, like Soumya, you need to discuss whatever the project. Actually, even I'm not gone through the what is our project and other things. So that's why okay, I'm not discuss much about the project. So, but again, if needed, Soumya will give answer for that. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. I think we can wind up the meeting. You can answer through Q&A so that we can wind up the session. PDF file it is up to you. You can create. No, 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 no. I just for example I given AICTC internship. You can create repository with that project name or with your name. It is full and full up to you. Yes, yes. You can give own repository. Yeah, yeah. We can leave. Yes. Video explanatory not compulsory now. Okay. If it is needed, again we will give instruction on that. Okay, thank you. Again, actually, I'm not having any code access. Okay, so due to that, I'm not able to explain or not able to give anything to you. Okay, once if it is I'm getting access, sure, I will just transfer to you or I will just help out on that. Okay, at present, actually, today's the session is for only the what you can say project report template explanation and how to upload in your LMS portal. That is what the explanation today. So even though I have attempted like multiple queries also, so anyhow, I think day after tomorrow, I think or day, on Friday, I think we people are having asked me anything like that is there. So before that, I will coming in hand the project related something. I will just get it the all information. Then I will discuss about that. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Certificate it will take around even 4 weeks also no issue actually. It will take some time because we need to evaluate your all project report and we need to go. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Have a nice day.